Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Sentra battery. Before starting, prioritize safety. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves to prevent injury. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This ensures no accidental power surges or movement during the process. The battery is usually located under the hood, often on the passenger side. Now let's disconnect the battery cables. You will need a 10mm wrench for this step. First, locate the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Loosen the nut and carefully remove the negative cable. This is crucial for safety, as it prevents accidental short circuits. Next, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and remove that cable as well. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. Look for the battery hold-down clamp or strap, which secures the battery in place. Use the appropriate wrench or socket to loosen and remove it. If there are any plastic covers or a battery tray, carefully remove those too. Now, with both hands, carefully lift the old battery straight up and out of the engine bay. Before installing a new battery, take a moment to inspect the battery tray for any corrosion or debris. Clean it thoroughly if necessary. Also, pay attention to how the old battery was oriented. This will make installing the new one much simpler. Remember, car batteries contain hazardous materials, so always dispose of your old battery responsibly at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.